to come by grade mine. So we want to look at this one also. This one says express the following as a sum of a polynomial and a proper fraction. Like what I explained in the last class. If you look at this one, the degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator. So we call this one improper fraction. And then we're asked to express it as a sum of a polynomial and a proper fraction. So like what I said in the last class, we use long division method. So we have outside the divisor is x minus 2, and then inside we have x to the power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1, right? So we look for the number or a variable that when we multiply with x, give us x4. And what is that? It is x cubed. X cubed. So x cubed times x will give us x to the power 4. And then that x cubed times minus 2 will give us minus 2x what? Cubed. And that is all. Then we subtract the first from the second. Remember, we're subtracting the first from the second. So there is minus sign here. So x4 minus x4, that one is gone. The minus times this minus is plus. 3, okay, is plus. So we have 2x cubed. Because this and this, they don't have the same degree, so they will be different. And then the other one we have plus 3x squared and plus 1. Now we go again, look for a number or a variable or both that when we multiply with x, give us 2x cubed. And that is plus 2x squared. Now plus 2x squared times this will give us 2x cubed, right? And then that 2x squared times minus 2 will give us minus 4x squared. And then they'll subtract. This minus this is gone already. Minus times minus is plus. So 4x squared plus 3x squared is 7x squared. And then plus 1. And then we still need to go again. We look for something that when we multiply with x, we give us 7x squared. And that is what? Plus 7x. 7x times x will give us 7x squared. And then 7x times minus 2 will give us minus 14x. 14x, right? And then we subtract. This one minus this one is gone. Plus times minus is plus. So we have 14x plus 1, right? Now we still need to go again, because if you look at this, we can get something that when we multiply this, give us this. And what is that? Plus 14. If you multiply 14 times this, it gives us 14x. So we have plus 14. So 14 times x gives us 14x. And then that 14 times minus 2 gives us minus 28. Minus 28. And then we subtract. We subtract this minus this is gone. And that minus here and this minus is plus. Now plus 28 plus 1 is what? 29. Therefore, this as a polynomial and proper fraction, this which is x to the power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1 all over x minus 2 is equal to this, which is x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x plus 14, and then plus the last one, which is 29 over x minus 2. So if you notice now, we've expressed this as a sum of a polynomial and a proper fraction. Thank you for watching, and God bless you always.